And we want to start sitting in a cross-legged seat and just circle your shoulders front and back and the other direction. And then circle with the arms, a bit bigger circles. Be gentle. Continue to breathe while you do this. Don't hold your breath. And the other way around. Okay, then drop on one side on the hand. Lift the other arm above your head. Just stretch the side. And if you want, you can come on the forearm, but keep both seating bones on the mat. Inhale up. Other side. And inhale. Then drop the head on your shoulder. Take your right hand to push a bit against it, and the other hand pulls down towards the mat. And then bring the chin a bit closer to your chest. Feel a different kind of stretch. Release, roll to the other side. Support with your hand. Gentle pressure. First look forward. And then bring the chin in. Release. Come back with your chin. Take the hands on the back of your head and then bring the chin down. Feel the stretch in the back muscle, neck muscles. And release. And today we're going to do some tapping. So take your, like a gentle fist, like not very tight, make it a loose fist, and then just tap here in the shoulder area where you feel the tension. Just tap. If you want, you can tap down on the arm as well, just a little bit. And then change the side. And if you have a partner at home, you can also ask your partner to do some tapping for you. And then I suggest this method with both hands like this. Yeah. If you have a partner, this is perfect. Yeah, you can also do it just with one hand yourself like this. I love it. Okay, good. Enough tapping for now. Bring the right foot in and the left knee down. I think those of you who have been with me for a while, you know I love these kind of stretches. So here, bring the right shoulder in, down. And this might be, if you're very tight here, this might already be too much. Yeah, then I would like you to grab around and bind the hands and open up. You can use a strap or a towel or something you have just to hold here. And if you just hold here, open the chest as much as you can. With every inhale, you open more so that you find the space to eventually bind. Hold this here. And then with the exhale, you drop your head on the knee and inhale up. Exhale down. Inhale. Exhale. Stay down. And come up. Release. Change the side. And again, drop the shoulder down so it's on knee level. And then you can bring the arm around. The right arm goes also around so you can bind. Or take a strap and open up. Breathe. And then with the exhale, you come forward and inhale. Exhale. Stay down. Release. Sit down again. Bring the right arm in front of you or the left and just pull it to the side as much as you can and turn the body with you a little bit. To make it more fun, more intense, you twist the upper body as well. Release to the other side. Pull the arm close and then you twist and turn as far as you can. Release. Look up and down. Up and down. Slow movements. Keep breathing. And then right and left. Okay, bring the hands together behind your body. You interlace the hands and you pull the shoulders away from you down. You open the chest. Then you can either stay here or you come with me like we did a couple days ago. Forward, drop your head, lift the arms high. Hold here. The arms move forward towards your head. And slowly come up. Release. Lay down. Bring the knees to the chest. And then drop the knees to the left. So both knees are in one line. And you bring the left arm is just on the side and the right arm goes to the top. Let the elbow lead the movement here. So you open this side, the chest, the shoulder drops. And then you move the arm slowly back to the hip. And you turn. So here the back of the hand is leading. You drop, you open, and then the palm of the hand is leading. Okay? With the inhale, you open here. And with the exhale, you come back. Inhale. And then leave the elbow here on the side. Feel the stretch. Stay here. Breathe. And then bring the arm back to the side. Bring both knees in. And change. Knees fall to the right. And then the right arm is on the side and the left arm circles above your head. Let the elbow lead here. And then you come back with the exhale. With the inhale. It's a soft and gentle movement. Take your time. And then you stay on the left side and just feel the stretch, breathe, relax. And then you finish the circle, bring the knees back in and straighten the legs. Now interlace your hands and place them behind your head. Inhale here. With the exhale, you lift the arms and the head. Gentle. Again, exhale. And then you do this towards the right side. And to the left. Again, to the right. And to the left. And then you stay, bring the hands on your body or to the side and just move the head right, left, gently, slow movements. Massage the back of your head. And then let the movements become smaller. And then you can stop Just stay here and breathe. If you want, you can stretch yourself along, right side, left side. And then bring the knees to your chest, cross the legs, grab the left foot with the right hand and the right foot with the left hand. Pull this close to you. Stay here for a moment. And then swing up. Lean forward, just drop. Drop your head, relax. As if you are like sitting under a shower where the water is running down your head. Relax here. And then roll up again. Again, circle your shoulders, feel if you can feel a difference. If you feel a difference, hit the like button for me. And if you haven't subscribed, now is a good time. And with that, I see you tomorrow for day 24. And right now, I don't remember what I was planning to do, but we will see. Namaste. Thanks for showing up.